This report examines the top 5 biopharmaceutical companies with single drug pipelines. These small biotechs present a compelling investment opportunity as they challenge larger pharma peers. By concentrating resources on niche markets with high-potential therapeutics, these firms are capturing significant value and disrupting traditional industry norms. As of mid-2025, small biotechs with single drug pipelines represent approximately 19.4% of the global development pipeline. This growing share of innovation is reshaping the industry. These firms are increasingly targeting niche markets with focused high-potential therapeutics. Our analysis identifies 5 of the most valuable single-asset biotechs and forecasts their economic potential over the next 3 years. We also evaluate their market niches, portfolio diversification strategies, market access plans, and major VC and pay investments. Number 1. Minds Biosciences NASDAQ DRUG. Minds is a clinical-stage biopharmaceutical company focused on the development and commercialization of novel therapeutics for the treatment of central nervous system disorders. Its lead asset, BMB-101, is a potent and selective 5-HT2C receptor agonist in clinical trials for the treatment of epilepsy and neuropsychiatric disorders. BMB-101 targets treatment-resistant epilepsy and depressive disorders, sectors with substantial unmet needs. With positive top-line phase 2 data expected in mid-2025, the company anticipates initiating multiple phase 3 trials by 2026. Minds operates in the expanding neuropsychiatric therapeutics market driven by increasing diagnosis rate and advancements in precision neuropharmacology. The company has secured significant institutional backing including Cormorant Asset Management, Janus Henderson Investors, Raw Capital Management, Perceptive Advisors, Vivo Capital, Akuta Capital Partners, and Schoenfeld Strategic Advisors. In late 2024, Minds raised $35 million through a private placement to support label expansion and exploration of adjacent neurological indications. Its differentiated approach to neurological disorders positions the company for growth with its lead candidate. Number 2. Candel Therapeutics NASDAQ CADL. Candel is a clinical-stage biopharmaceutical company specializing in viral immunotherapies for the treatment of cancer. Its lead asset, CAN2409, is a genetically modified oncolytic virus designed to selectively infect and destroy prostate and pancreatic cancers. CAN2409 has shown encouraging results in clinical trials with plans for expansion into other solid tumors. Candel operates in the immuno-oncology space with a focus on localized and early-stage solid tumors. Viral vectors are gaining favor as effective and targeted immunotherapy solutions. The company has secured funding to support its growth, including $28.7 million Series B and $22.5 million Series C rounds used to expand programs to glioblastoma and other tumors. Candel's innovative approach to cancer treatment holds promise for patients with limited treatment options. No. 3. Rezolute Bio NASDAQ RZLT. Rezolute is a clinical-stage biopharmaceutical company focused on developing and commercializing therapies for rare pediatric metabolic disorders. Its lead asset, RZ358, is an oral small molecule drug candidate for the treatment of congenital hyperinsulinism, a rare disorder that causes low blood sugar levels. RZ358 has shown efficacy in clinical trials with plans for continued development. Rezolute operates in the growing field of rare disease therapeutics with increasing diagnostic awareness driving market expansion. The company has secured $30 million in debt financing from SLR Capital Partners for non-dilutive operational funding. Rezolute's focused approach to rare pediatric disorders positions it for growth with its lead candidate nearing regulatory milestones. Number 4. 𝗕𝗏𝗡 Therapeutics NASDAQ MNPR. 𝗕𝗏𝗡 is a clinical-stage biopharmaceutical company focused on developing and commercializing treatments for rare metabolic diseases. Its lead asset, ALXN1840, is a copper chelating agent for the treatment of Wilson disease, a rare disorder that causes copper accumulation in the body. 𝗚𝗦𝗡𝗏𝗡𝗚 has shown efficacy in clinical trials with plans for continued development. 𝗕𝗏𝗡 operates in the niche market of rare metabolic diseases with limited treatment options. The company has secured a licensing agreement with AstraZeneca's Rare Disease Division for the further development of radiopharmaceuticals. 𝗕𝗏𝗡's focused approach to rare diseases positions it for growth with its lead candidate nearing regulatory milestones. Number 5. 𝗕𝗓𝗏 Bio Nasdaq 𝗕𝗏. 𝗕𝗓𝗏 Bio is a clinical-stage biotechnology company focused on developing novel bispecific antibodies for the treatment of cancer. Its lead asset, 𝗕𝗛𝗡𝗏𝗏, is a PD-L1XV-EGF bispecific antibody designed to enhance anti-tumor immunity while reducing tumor blood supply. Positive preclinical data has been observed, and the company plans to initiate global registrational trials in 2025. 𝗕𝗓𝗏 operates in the rapidly advancing field of bispecific antibodies for solid tumors with significant potential for growth. The company has invested in manufacturing capacity with a 15-year lease to support future product scale-up. 𝗕𝗓𝗏's innovative approach to cancer treatment holds promise for patients with limited treatment options. These 5 small biotech firms demonstrate how focused innovation and strategic investment can drive considerable value creation from a single drug asset. Their approaches to portfolio diversification, market access, and external funding via VC and pay investments will be instrumental in achieving commercial success. Bright Minds and Candel have already attracted well-known institutional backers, which bodes well for financial resilience and optionality in R&D. Rezolute's debt-based funding model ensures operational liquidity without immediate dilution. While 𝗕𝗏𝗡 and 𝗕𝗓𝗏 are more opaque in investor disclosure, their clinical and operational commitments reflect confidence in their single-asset thesis. As these companies near regulatory milestones, their economic value will increasingly hinge on commercialization outcomes, including market approvals, pricing, reimbursement, and strategic alliances. Stay tuned for more insightful industry analysis and company deep dives.